Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. From the title, you understand what is this video about. This is a very prompt video. I was not prepared for it at all, but when I received this beauty, I was thinking that why not to make my own, because I love watching the unboxing videos and all. So let's unbox it together. This beauty I received today as my birthday gift, though my birthday was in last month, but I was not sure what to buy. This is a present from my husband. Researching many things because it comes when you are trying to buy something from the luxurious brand. You need to research a lot because these things are expensive, guys. Okay, let's unbox it together. So this has come with this the usual black box, and inside the box there is the receipt and also the authenticity card with the number and the dust bag. It's a very nice dust bag. I did not expect the dust bag to be this nice. And tana, so filmy. So this is my bag, which I actually purchased for my birthday from the Saint Laurent. This is a monogram clutch. Yes, guys, this is not a bag. This is a clutch. So if you were actually familiar with the YSL, you know that this is a very versatile clutch, and easily you can convert this clutch to a crossbody bag. And because the crossbody of this monogram, it's double the price from this clutch. So if I can convert it in a crossbody, why do I pay double, man? It's math. It's a normal math. Nothing to do with that. Yeah, so this is the clutch I bought from my birthday. It's so beautiful. Oh, and it's very pristine condition. Nothing, the hardwares are top notch. This is the caviar leather color in beige. The details of this bag I will put in the screen, and also the price of this bag. Oh, she is beautiful. She is really beautiful. The plus point, it is coming with the wristlet, and you can easily detach it. There is a written the Saint Laurent on the clasp. If you can see that, I'm not sure my camera will focus or not, but yeah, it's written here. So if you open this, it's a very simple, nothing inside. I mean, there is something inside, okay. So it's a single compartment clutch, and also they have a slip pocket inside. If you can see, it's like all black, so I'm not sure you can see that, but yeah, they have a slip pocket inside. Actually, this is the slip pocket I'm going to place my bag insert and make it as a crossbody. I'm just giving the photo in the screen so you can understand what I'm talking about. I already ordered it from Etsy, but it doesn't I mean, I haven't received yet. It will take some time to deliver. So but I mean, I cannot wait to unbox it, and just I wanted to check how everything fits here and all. So yeah, this is my birthday present. So a little story behind, I wanted to buy the Uptown wallet and chain for my birthday. If you I will show you the picture on the screen, but I searched a lot and everyone is talking about this is very small bag, this is very small bag. So for that reason, I bought a bag which is the measurement like the Uptown one. So this wallet, I bought this wallet just to see if I can fit my things all here, and I can buy the Uptown or not. This is from a bag from the Charles and Keith. If you're following me in the Instagram, you will know that I carry this bag every day. It's a very beautiful, very versatile bag. I mean, it's a wallet on chain. The chain is detachable. Actually, this chain I'm going to use with this bag. when I convert it to the crossbody, because the YSL chain is also similar like that. The Uptown chain is definitely like this, but maybe the monogram chain is a little bit thicker than this one, but no one noticed. The color may be a little bit darker here in this chain. Nobody noticed the chain. So yeah, I'm going to use this chain for my this clutch. When the insert will come, I'll make maybe another video to show how I can use that insert. Or it's nothing new, it's everywhere in the internet how you can convert this clutch to a crossbody, and it's very common. Anyway, so this bag, I bought this one and from the Charles and Keith. This is a very beautiful bag. Also the leather is very nice, though it's not a 100% genuine leather. This is a faux leather, but this is 100% caviar leather. So I can open this one. There is some card slots, so I can place my cards here. I cannot carry any extra card holder in this bag because there is not much space. There is slip pocket. There is also a zipper. Can carry the cash sometime here, and also this single compartment and my jumbo phone. I'm using the 12 Pro Max, and the phone, I can only place the phone here, nothing else, not even a single lip gloss, nothing. So I decided not to buy the Uptown one because you know, if it's not practical if you buying a thing with very expensive and then you cannot like carry your essential, then it's not worth right. But when I saw the Uptown one in person, like last week, I was thinking, it's not that small. I think I can manage. But anyway, I already bought this one, so let's see how many things fits here. So as I said, I am using the 12 Pro Max, so that's already a big phone. But I'm currently recording with my 12 Pro Max instead. I'm checking the 12 Pro Max cover with my old 7 Plus because the length is almost the same. This phone you can also, the phone can easily be use this phone case, the 12 Pro Max one. So on the reference, this is my phone, 12 Pro Max, and then I need to use a card holder for this because there is no card slot inside. So currently I'm using this card holder from Michael Kors. My cards are not here because my cards are in my other bag, but I'm gonna use this card holder for this bag. This is not a thin card holder, though I also have a thin card holder from the Charles and Keith, but this is I'm going to use. So okay, I put this one. All right, and then my favorite lipstick, this is the Lolita from Kat Von D. It's a very, very beautiful lipstick, and this is my go-to. I always use that, and I always buy the smaller one because it's very easy to carry every time. Okay, sometimes I carry my small perfume, but not always. I think I can make some space for that. All right. Yeah. And also my keys, most important thing. I don't carry the key pouch, but yeah, because I feel that that's filled most of the spaces. Okay, sometimes I also carry my earpod. So the earpod done. All right, yeah, so everything fits perfectly. I did not actually realize that I could have filled everything, though I think there is some can you see, if you can see, there is like a little bit of dent here, but but I think it's fine, nothing bad, it's fine. The bag is full and I'm loving it. I'm so grateful that I bought this one for my birthday. Actually, I wanted to buy the black one, but I realized that I already have that Charles & Keith black one, which is the same kind of leather, and I can carry it with everyone. I don't have any beige color bag at this moment, so I just bought it. Okay, so these are the thing. I actually don't carry the perfume often nowadays, so yeah, maybe these are the most essential things I used to carry in my day-to-day life, and this all fits perfectly fine. My earpod, even though I don't carry earpod most of the time. So yeah, that's all. My card holder, my keys, lippy, and my 12 Pro Max. I mean, this one is not 12 Pro Max, but as a reference. Yeah, that's all, and these all thing fits here perfectly. When my insert will come, maybe I will show you how I can convert this clutch to a crossbody, so you will understand. I mean, it's nothing new, it's all over in the internet, but still, yeah. And this one is detachable, so this is if you have any very bigger claw clips, so you can also, you may no need the what it called, the insert. You can just use this one and make the chain one. You just need to place one chain here and one chain here and use it as a crossbody, but I do not have that chain right now. I only have the chain I show you from my Charles & Keith, which actually like this one. I mean, there is no clasp inside. I just need to open this one like okay, so yeah, it's something like that. So that's why I wanted to use that. It's something like that, so that's why it's this one. So I wanted to use that Etsy one where I can place the insert inside this slip pocket, and then I just put that chain on that. I will show you the picture. I will show you the picture in the screen so you will understand what I'm talking about. And that's all for today. I hope you like my video. If you like, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.